Can you see his face? Good. You like the apple, Felix? Eat the whole thing. Give it a big chomp. Do you have any teeth in there? No, no teeth. He really likes apples. He's salivating like crazy. Look at all that saliva. Making him, it's so sweet, so tart. He's never tasted anything like that before. It's so tart. Did you get me? Hi. I'm 29 and I have a baby. He's a really cute baby. I'm not 30 yet. I'm still young. I'm still young. Not quite as young as this little lad. He's like, give me that apple back, please. Look at him lick it. He sticks his tongue out. Licks it. And he likes how it feels on his gums, too. Did you get a side view? He's like...
Okay, the end.